Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, where I review and promote cloud-based products, info products and training courses that generally help you elevate your business to the next level. If making money online is your desire and your intention on my channel, I come up with programs and products that will help you do exactly that. Today I have another amazing software product called Proto. Proto is going live today on the 14th of August 2022 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's New York time for you. And of course, in a nutshell, this one is a product that is going out. They are being launched by the super affiliate Seyi Adeleke, my brother. And of course, in a nutshell, it is a new app that creates 3-step super eCom funnels that crushes Amazon, Shopify and eBay combined, banking you possibly $458 daily. And then of course you can launch your own e-commerce super funnels with winning products in 60 seconds without creating a single story or Shopify. No inventory is required, no upfront cost, no product research, and no delivery hassles. So this is exactly what the creator Seyi Adeleke is telling us. And then this is an affiliate and a creator and a vendor that I know has done very well in the past. And of course, if this is a product you are going to require, I will encourage you to use the first link below in my description area. That link will definitely bring you into the amazing bonus page of mine, which I'm going to show you just in a little while. When you click that link below in my description area, that first link, it will definitely bring you to this amazing bonus page of mine, where you will be able to actually grab a copy of this product using this link here, and of course any of the other links scattered all over this very bonus page of mine. Now this is one of them, and when you do, it will take you to the sales page, where you are going to be able to actually get a copy for yourself using any of the other links scattered all over this page. I will show you one of them, which is exactly this. You'll be able to click this. When you do, it will take you to my Warrior Plus account, where you will be able to get a copy of this for yourself. And when you do, under your purchase history, you are going to find a page that looks exactly like this one here with 2 buttons. This green one gives you access to your purchase of Proto, and here you have this blue one that is going to give you access to your amazing bonuses. And of course, that will mean that you will be making money as early as today, when eventually you put this into practice. Now, with that said, let us look at the members area, the software itself, which is this, which I'm going to show you if you stick with me. And of course, let us just go into further details on this one. Since we have been able to identify what this product does for you, of course, what we do now is to look at the pricing, so that you take a look at what you have and what is going to cost you to do so. The front end for this one goes for $19, and this will give you access to the amazing software membership area, where you will be able to see how you set up the funnels, the sales history, automation, abandoned order settings, tutorials, and of course, which is very important, this is where you get trained on how this one can be applied, so that you can use it to make money online. Now, front end goes for $19, like I said. OTO number 1 unlimited goes for $67, and this will remove every limitations you have on the front end. That means it will remove all the limits from your account, unlock premium features, unlimited eCom super funnels, unlimited winning products, and of course connect to their private suppliers, unlimited hosting, commercial license, and unlimited profits. Of course, that's what you have. And this means that if you buy the front end for $19, it's always advisable to have the unlimited version, so that you know you have the complete package. But if you want to go to OTO number 2, which is done for you, it actually goes for $297, and this will help the support of this very great software set up everything for you, and you do they will do the hard work for you, while you keep 100% profit. No trial and error is involved in that. That's another very super winning formula there, where you have everything done for you. Okay, it says that they were going to set up your 20 eCom automated super funnels. They will load your super funnels with battle tested hot products daily, and of course connect you to their private suppliers, and this will get you the right target audience, and they will select the most profitable niche and configure it for huge profits, and so many more you can read at your convenience. OTO number 3 will be the automation. It goes for 47, which means everything is automated to promote account and let it run on autopilot with zero work, get orders 24/7, receive payment, and automatically fulfill or deliver orders on complete autopilot. So that's what you get with automation. OTO number 4 will be swift profits. It goes for 67. OTO number 5, limitless traffic, which is very important, goes for 127. And OTO number 6, franchise edition, goes for 197. Everything is done for you, software business in a box and all that. And of course, OTO number 7, multi-income edition, goes for $47. And this will add 10 new automated income streams in addition to Proto, and make more money without working extra hard. It's just, according to him, plug and play system. And here you have all the amazing benefits. You have a launch e-com supermarket that sell any product and convert 10 times better than conventional stores like Shopify. No creating store, shop, no inventory needed. Get daily hot selling products, suppliers link, price markup, target audience, Facebook creativity, and etc. And of course, 52 beta testers made profit, according to Shea Adeleke. 0 expenses, 100% risk-free, no upfront payment, and you get buyers worldwide, and of course sell in any language of your choice. So that's what you have there with 30-day money-back guarantee. And now let us get to my bonuses. My bonus number 1 for you is a very big premium bonus, which has about 17 products in one, which means you are going to be able to have 17 software and training courses products, which you will be able to have, of course, under this product vault bonus of mine number 1. So you have 17 amazing software and training courses there. Now you have my bonus number 2 as a bonus tutorial, which means you are going to be taught how to monetize your channel, your website, anything that you need monetization done on. You have 3 amazing monetization strategies at your beck and call. Now that's what you have as my number 2. My number 3 will be how to rank any site on page 1 of Google. So you can rank your site. With ranking comes visibility, and with visibility comes with the clicks, and with these clicks they convert into making money for you. So it's another amazing tutorial, a premium bonus at that you will be able to need to begin to make money as early as today. Now my bonus number 4 should be the commission toolbox, which is the insane part of the whole thing, because in this very commission toolbox you have over 1,000 tools that you can use comfortably to make money online. So you can imagine what you've got here. With these tools you can do basically anything online as easily as possible. You can have the automation tools, you have backlinks tools, you have basically everything you want. How to shorten your URL, everything you need to make money online as a tool, you've got it here covered with this over 1,000 tools under my commission toolbox bonus number 4. Bonus number 5 will be, of course, all the vendor bonuses for this product. And of course, when you do click any of these links, when you get here using the link on my description area, the first link, it will definitely, like I told you before, get to the sales page, which is this. And here you click this one. When you do, it will take you to my Water Plus account. As I told you before, when you are on my Water Plus account and purchase this product, under your purchase history, you will find a page that looks like this with 2 buttons. This green one gives you access to Proto, and here you have this blue one giving you crazy access to the amazing bonuses that I have shown you, which will be all yours on a platter of gold for using my link for this product. Okay, so that's about what we have basically on my bonus page. Now let us take a look at the product members area. Here you have the super funnels, which means you will be able to create your own funnels and view the funnels you have created. And here you have the automation. But first, before you do any of these things, you should be able to go through the tutorial, which is where you get information on how you can set this very one up. And then you have the automation system, which you will be able to broadcast email swipes and abandon orders, and of course that will be able to set you up. And here you have all the settings you need on this one. General setting, connect autoresponder with this one for your email marketing after capturing leads, and you'll be able to add social proof, and you can add your domain, disclaimer, privacy, and contact. Everything is basically set up here for you. I may eventually put a short demo video of this product in action right after this, so that you will see exactly how it works. And now let us actually take a look at the sales page and see if we can scroll through the sales page together and see what you've got here. I believe the vendor has some amazing vendor bonuses for you, which you are going to see in a matter of seconds when we eventually get to that part of the sales page where you'll be able to view the amazing information you have here. It's a very good one. This is part of the eCom that was made, I believe, by the creator Sheya Deleke for this very capability, talking about Proto as a funnel creating software that is going to help you in the e-commerce world. And here are some of the testimonials and income proofs from the people who have been able to beta test this product, and you can see that it's another opportunity out there online to begin to make money online. So basically at your convenience, you'll be able to go through this one and see if this is going to be for you. But if making money in the e-commerce world, everything automated, most of them done for you if you want, and of course you have the unlimited version of the front end. All these things will be yours if eventually you make up your mind to get a copy of this for yourself, because I mean, a lot of people search for how to make money online. This may be one of them for you, if I should recommend, actually. So the decision to do so now definitely will be your own, and as always, it has 3 simple steps to set up, and you can do this at your convenience and of course from the comfort of your home, so that after some time you will have the opportunity to actually leave that 9-to-5 job that you are doing and be able to integrate yourself into the online digital world where money is made, of course, as much as possible. Now, bonus number 1 from the vendor will be 6-figure in 60 days live e-commerce event, and of course bonus number 2 will be Facebook e-commerce marketing solution, no store system. Bonus number 3 from the vendor will be mobile e-commerce simplified. Bonus number 4 will be traffic booster secrets, and bonus number 5, Proto print on demand profits. That's what you got. 5 from the vendor, and of course 4 amazing and wonderful bonuses and software and training courses from me as bonuses, which means you will be able to have over 1,030 bonuses to choose from, as long as you need this product, using the link in my description area. So with that said, we are going to round up on this very review, and to do so we are back on my bonus page so that you see exactly what I've got here for you as long as my bonuses are concerned, so that you will be able to see that you have over 1,030 bonuses to choose from, and training courses, and of course tools that will help you definitely make money online. And that will be where we are going to bring to an end this amazing review for an amazing product called Proto. If you are new to my channel, I will encourage you at this point to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and get the bell icon for notifications, so that you'll be one of the very first people to be informed whenever I upload any content on my channel. And with that said, we'll come to the end of this one. It still remains your Mike of the Mbadiwe.com coming to you as always from here, and from me from here is goodbye, guys.